Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to take a closer look at a well-structured accounting landing page. We'll go through its key elements and understand what makes it effective. If you've been looking to improve or create your own landing page, this breakdown will provide valuable insights. Let's dive in. Starting off strong, we have this eye-catching announcement bar, ideal for those essential updates or limited time offers, ensuring that nothing gets overlooked. Notice the streamlined header with the logo section and the direct contact method. It's user-friendly and direct. And the schedule a demo button, positioned perfectly to grab attention. The hero section speaks volumes, with a headline like "Maximize your finances with expert accounting services." Users instantly grasp the value, and the image choice reinforces expertise and trust in the domain. Next, we have this elegant space to flaunt accolades and credentials. Whether it's awards or certifications, trust building starts right here. Now, the who we are section is where personality shines. The image portrays teamwork, underlining the importance of collaboration in accounting. Experience matters, and this segment is designed to showcase just that. The accompanying image adds a touch of dedication and precision. Breaking down the services we offer section, we find a blend of visuals and detailed descriptions. Tailor this to provide as much or as little information as you want. This section targets audiences. It's pure gold. It can cater to a variety of niches, ensuring every visitor sees a piece of themselves in it. Testimonials and trust. Here, the space is carved out for genuine feedback, star ratings, and more, amplifying credibility. Wrapping up, this compelling call to action stands out. It emphasizes the unique selling proposition and makes the next step clear for the users. Now, I'm never surprised. If you love this template, it's actually up for grabs. Exclusively built in Unbounce, it's yours for just $99. And here's a cherry on top. The first 100 customers will enjoy an exclusive 40% discount. Check out the link in the description to grab the template and make it yours. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more insights like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be analyzing another amazing landing page from a different industry. Leave a comment below if there's a specific niche or type of landing page you would like to see next. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing.